Hello. Hello, preschool friends. We are here today with Pete the cat. He is going to help us sing our hello song and do our silly sounds. I'm excited. Oh, good, Pete. All right. He came to school today on a school bus. Look.
Oh, Pete.
Beep, beep. All right, let's sing our hello song first. And today we're going to use our Super Tucker stick. Super Tucker. Boo, boo, boo. Hear how loud it makes our voice? Can you do it? Do, do, do. Good job, Pete. All right, let's sing our hello song. Are you ready? Do you remember it? All right, here we go. Do you remember it?
I do.
All right. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? It's good to see you here. It's good to see Pete. Here it's good to see
Miss Megan.
Here it's good to see Miss Laramie. Here it's good to see. Say your name. Here it's good to see everybody here. How are you today? Hey! Good job. Hey! All right. Hey, 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 it's Friday. That's what we usually say, huh? All right, Pete, are you ready to do silly sounds? Yes, yes, I am. Should we sing it? Silly sounds, silly little sounds.
All right, Pete. We're going to do all the silly sounds today.
Oh, my.
Okay, so we're going to do them all. We're going to try and go a little faster. What do we say when we sing?
La, 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 la. La, 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 la.
What sound does popcorn make? Pop, 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 pop. What sound does a train make?
Chugga, chugga, choo, choo. Sorry.
Chugga, chugga, choo, choo.
Train.
What sound does a baby chick make?
Beep,
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 beep, beep, beep, beep, beep, beep, beep.
I like baby chicks.
Pete,
Oh,
what sound does a baby make?
he says, wah, wah, wah.
Good job, Pete.
Thank you.
What does a mommy say to the baby?
Oh. Shh, baby, it's okay.
All right, Pete. What do we say?
You feel sick.
Yes, when we are sick.
Choo! Oof. Gotta
was a-
catch it in my elbow. Choo!
That was a big one, Pete. All right. What do you say when you eat something good?
Oh, I say, yeah, yeah.
Uh-oh. What do you say when you eat something yucky?
Oh, I say,
All right, Pete. What do you say when you laugh?
oh. Hot air sound.
Oh, this is our silly tongue sound.
Ooh. All right, so stick your tongue out. Pete, I don't know if you have a tongue in there. And then go side to side. And then we do the really fast one where we put it out again. And we all, well, the blah one. Blah. Blah. We kind of get that one with yuck, too. I like those. I like to watch you, Miss Megan.
Oh, Pete, you're so sweet. All right. What do we say when something good happens? We say, oh
Boy.
boy.
Slam me for Oh boy.
And what do we say when something bad happens?
Oh, no. Oh, no.
You're doing awesome, Pete.
Thank you.
What sound does a car make?
Oh, same as a bus. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep.
All right. What do you say when you see someone you know?
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Oh,
Hello.
you're so friendly, Pete. Oops, hang on, sorry. We got another one for this one. What do you say when someone's leaving the room?
Oh. Bye.
Good job, Pete.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Aw. All right. Oh, whoa, no. What do you say when you've hurt yourself?
Ouch.
Oh.
Ooh, I hurt my tail. Ouch.
Oh, ouch.
Ouch.
Sorry you hurt yourself, Pete.
It's okay.
All right. What do you say when you get your picture taken?
Cheese. Cheese.
Pete, do you like pictures?
I love pictures.
All right. Oh, this is one of our favorites. What sound does a snake make? Bite
Kinda
your
looks
teeth
like
together.
my tail.
Oh. All coiled up. Bite your teeth together and smile. All right. What sound does a sprinkler make?
Oh.
Awesome job. Couple more. What sound does a tiger say?
Oh, I use the back of my throat and I say, grrr.
Grrr.
Can you feel it back there?
Grrr.
Good job, Pete.
Awesome job, Pete. Oh, I think this is Pete's favorite one.
Oh, I love this one.
What does a baby shark say?
Do
Do,
do
do,
do 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 do
Do
baby.
do 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 do.
Baby shark.
Woo! Good job, Pete. And what do you do with a soccer ball?
Kick it. Kick it.
Good
Kick it.
kick.
Thank you. Kick it.
All right, Pete, that's it for today. We need to say goodbye to all of our friends.
Bye. It was fun to do silly sounds with you. Mwah.
Oh,
Mwah.
nice,
Mwah.
Pete.
All right, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.